सेशन 2021 एंड 22 के लिए जो सैम्पल पेपर रिलीज़ किया है उसको डिस्कस करेंगे टर्म 1. As you know that this paper is completely objective type and it will be taken on OMR sheet. अब OMR sheet पे देना पड़ेगा. There will be in total you will see 60 questions will be there, but in every section, likewise section A is having 24, you have to attempt only 20. Section B is also having 24, you have to attempt only 20, and section C has 12 questions, attempt any 10. So that means in total you will getting 60 questions, but you are going to attempt 50 questions, 24, 24 and 12. Now there will be no negative marking and all questions carry equal marks, so it will be the evaluated, there will be no negative mark. So let's start with it. First section consisting of 24 questions, attempt any 20 questions from this section. What you have to do? Let's see. First question. Rima took 5 ml of lead nitrate solution in a beaker and approximately 4 ml of potassium iodide solution. What would she observe? Now when we see this, the solution turned red, yellow precipitate was formed, white precipitate was formed, and the reaction becomes hot. So when we talk of lead nitrate potassium iodide solution, it will be yellow precipitate will be formed. B option. Identify a gas in the following experiment. You can see from the figure, this is your NCERT figure only. It's a simple question. You have to just identify the gas from the figure. It's the hydrogen gas. Let's see the third question. Metal dilute HCl salt plus gas. Now which of the following two combinations are incorrect or are correct? So copper will not react and gas will not be evolved. Iron and gas, yes. Magnesium and gas will be evolved, yes, but it's written no, so it's also not correct. And zinc and yes, so it's option 2 and 4, that means D option will be there. Next, which of the following correctly represents a balanced chemical equation? So when you are talking of balance, it is also a NCERT questions. So 3Fe plus 4H2O, Fe3O4 plus 4H2. So you have to see 3Fe, 4H2O, Fe, and so it will be the B option. Now come to the question number 5. The graph given below depicts a neutralization reaction, acid plus alkali, salt plus water. So what will be the pH of the solution changes as we add excess of acid to an alkali. So when we are adding excess of acid to an alkali, neutralization, if we are adding excess of acid to an alkali, so that means the pH will be shifting towards the acidity side. That means volume of acid added. So which letter denotes the area of graph where both acid and salts are present? It will be D option. Next is question number 5 हो गया आपका. Now in the reaction of iron with copper sulfate solution, copper plus iron, that is copper or ferrous sulfate, which option is in the given table correctly represent the substance oxidized and the reducing agent? Now in this, iron is oxidized and reducing agent is iron. B option, iron is oxidized but reducing agent is Fe, SO4, and copper is oxidized, reducing agent is iron, and copper sulfate is oxidized and reducing agent is iron. So the option A will be correct in this case. The chemical reaction between copper and oxygen can be categorized as, the question number 7, copper and oxygen combination reaction it will be, so option C. Next is question number 8. Which of the following given options correctly represent the parent acid and base of calcium carbonate? Now when we are talking of parent acid, that means and base, calcium carbonate किन से बना हुआ है? तो कार्बोनिक एसिड एंड कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड होता है, तो H2CO3 and CaOH2. It's a B option. So the how will you protect yourself from the heat generated while during a concentrated acid? That means exothermic reaction होता है ये, तो उस टाइम आप कैसे प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं? By adding acid to water with constant strain, by adding water to acid with constant strain, or by adding water to acid followed by base, from the heat generated while during a concentrated acid. So when the heat is generated with constant straining, so by adding water to acid with constant, but ऑप्शन ए एडिंग एसिड टू वाटर, वाटर पहले लेना होता है और एसिड उसमें हमें बाद में डालना होता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, वाई इट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट टू बैलेंस ए स्केलेटल केमिकल इक्वेशन. नाउ इट्स टू वेरीफाई द लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास. ये आपको पता ही है, बहुत पहले से आता रहता है ये क्वेश्चंस. केयरफुली स्टडी द डायग्राम ऑफ ह्यूमन रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम विद लेबल्स ए बी सी डी. सेलेक्ट द ऑप्शन विच गिव करेक्ट इन आइडेंटिफिकेशन एंड मेन फंक्शन फॉर और कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. तो ये आपको डायग्राम में बताना है. इट्स ए व्हेन वी से ट्रेकिया, इट्स इज सपोर्टेड बाय द बोन रिंग्स ऑफ कंडक्टिंग इंस्पायर्ड एयर. बी रिब्स, व्हेन वी ब्रीथ आउट रिब्स आर लिफ्टेड. एंड देन C, alveoli thin walled sac like structure for exchange of gases, and diaphragm, it is pulled up when we breathe in. So we have to see the labeling also, and it's C with label third part. So this is option C. Then question number 12, identify the options that indicate the correct enzyme that is secreted in location A, B and C. It's your life process question. A option lipase, B second is trypsin and third is pepsin. गलत है. amylase first you can see it will be amylase, second is pepsin and third is trypsin. So 12th B option will be there. It's clear from the diagram also. Then the question number 13, opening and closing of stomata pores depends on what? So the 13th question is saying it depends on the water content in the guard cells, because the opening and closing takes place because of water content. The figure given below shows a systematic plan of blood circulation in humans with labels 1 to 5. Identify the correct labels with its function. So you can see vena cava takes blood from body parts to right auricle, body parts. Pulmonary artery takes blood from lungs to heart, and pulmonary vein takes. But the labeling, when you see, it's only fourth part is labeling is correct, other labelings are wrong, so the option will be D. So just for confusion you have to see the labels also in this. Functions are written correctly, but you have to see the labeling in the diagram also, then you will see that which option is correct. Question number 15, identify the phases of circulation which is represented in the diagram of heart given below. Arrows indicating contraction of the chamber shown. So in this question number 15, what you are saying, that blood transfer to the right auricle and left ventricle simultaneously. Blood is transferred to lungs for oxygenation and is pumped into various organs simultaneously, because ventricle contraction is there. If the arrows are expanding, then it will be a different thing. Then the question number 16, observe the diagram of human digestive system, match the labeled referred in the column 1. Now it's when we say first part, first is what? फर्स्ट इज बी पार्ट, इनिशियल फेज ऑफ स्टार्च डाइजेशन जो माउथ में शुरू हो जाता है. सो विल गो फॉर बी ऑप्शन. एंड सेकेंड यू कैन सी लीवर, दैट मीन्स सी पार्ट, इंक्रीज द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ लाइपेज एंजाइम एक्शन बाय इमल्सिफिकेशन, जो हम उसके अंदर पढ़ते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मिरर इज यूज बाय डेंटिस्ट टू एग्जामिन small cavity in patient's teeth? So it is C option, concave mirror. Next, question number 18, which diagram shows image formation of an object on a screen by converging lens? So when we say converging lens, means it is bringing all the rays to one point. So the diagram C is showing it. Next is, which of the following can make a parallel beam of light when light from a point source is incident on it? So when a parallel beam of light is made by actually concave mirror as well as convex lens, so the option will be A. Then consider these incidences of refraction: glass 1.52, air 1.02. These are the refractions or refractive index. Based on the refractive index of three materials, arrange the speed of light through them in decreasing order. So we have to decrease the speed of light in air. You can say is lowest, as seen from the clearly seen from the refractive index. So it will be the C option. If a beam of red light and a beam of violet light are incident at the same angle on the incident surface of a prism from air medium and produce angle of refraction r and v respectively. Which of the following is correct? A beam of red light and beam of violet are incident at the same angle, but the angle of deviation will be different. So what we will say, which of the following is correct? R will be greater than V. So it will be the 21st D question, that is R is deviation of R will be lesser because of the wavelength, as you will see. So it will be the D option. Next is question number 22. Examine the above figure and state which of the following option is correct. One small box in the figure is equal to 1 centimeter. We have to count these boxes also. So the mirror has the focal length minus 6 centimeter and produce a image of magnification plus 1. The mirror, in this you will require to calculate it also, so it will take time. Option B is the correct answer. You can calculate it. Then the question number 23. The angle of incidence from a air to glass at that point O on the hemispherical glass slab is, you can see it is angle of incidence from air to glass at the point O and the hemispherical glass slab is 0 degrees Celsius. 23 question B option is there. Next is 24. A prism ABC is placed in different orientation. A narrow beam of white light is incident on the prism as shown in figure. In which of the following diagrams after dispersion the third color from the top of the spectrum correspond to the color of the sky? Now third color, that means third color is would be shown by the figure 2. So first section is complete. Now we'll go for the section B. It is also containing 24 questions. You have to attempt only 20 out of this. When we say limestone heated, X and CO2 is generated and H2O slaked lime. Identify the correct options. This is simple calcium. When we are heating limestone, that means calcium carbonate, calcium oxide is formed, then water mixing, calcium hydroxide will be formed. So you have to, option correct is 25C. Exothermic reaction will be there and endothermic and exothermic. First you will give heat, second the heat will be generated in step 1 and step 2. Next is question number 26. In which year is concentration of hydrogen ion the highest? So you will see from the figure pH value is there, rain pH value is there. So when the pH value is increasing, so in this year 2002 pH वैल्यू जितना कम होगा हाइड्रोजन आयन कंसंट्रेशन उतना ज़्यादा होगा, तो pH हमारा 2002 में बिलो 1 पहुंच रखा है. दैट मीन्स द हाइड्रोजन कंसंट्रेशन यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा होगी. The diagram shows reaction between metal and dilute acids. What is the reason for different behavior of magnesium in test tube B? Now in test tube B, magnesium plus dilute HCl, zinc plus dilute HCl, iron plus and copper plus. So when we say behavior wise, magnesium react with dilute HCl to produce hydrogen, which is helps in floating. Because of the production of hydrogen gas, the bubbles stick to the magnesium. Calcium भी float करता है और magnesium भी, that's why it start floating. So that's the reason why it is floating. The table shown below gives information about 4 substances A, B, C, D. Now what you have to do, substances are given, melting point is given, electric conductivity given. Identify any compounds from the above given substances. When we say ionic compound formation, so question number 28, so it will be B and C. Melting point is given, solid, poor, liquid, aqueous, good. Electrical conductivity is there, so it will be B option. Vinay observed that the stain of curry on a white shirt becomes reddish brown when scrubbed. So when we are saying reddish brown, it will be turmeric and base option will be there. 29th B part 2 and 3. In which of the following setups would the bulb glow? You have to see the proper connection is there and the solution which is taken, dilute HCl, rubber cork, nail, 6 volt battery. Question number 30 है. देन इन सेकेंड यू कैन से शुगर सोल्यूशन यहाँ पे नहीं होगा, अल्कोहल इन वाटर भी नहीं होगा, एंड लाइम वाटर में होगा. सो in the question number 30, first and fourth will be there, so it will be B option. Next is assertion and region questions. The fresh milk is in which baking soda is added takes a longer time to set as curd. Baking soda decreases the pH value of fresh milk to below 6. Now when we say baking soda is adding, pH value below 6 यानी ऊपर जाएगी, that means A is true but R is false. So the correct option here will be C. Then the 32 question, decomposition of vegetable matter into compost is an endothermic reaction. हमारा फर्स्ट ही गलत हो गया, तो डी ऑप्शन हो गया इसमें. Resins and gums are stored in old xylem tissue plants. Resins and gums facilitate transport of motor molecules. Statement are both correct, but the reason is not correct. 33, resins and gums stored in old xylem tissue and plants is correct, but resins and gums facilitate transport of water. This is wrong, so it will be C option. Sky appears blue in daytime and white light is composed of 7 colors. So when we say both A and R are true, but the explanation is not true, so it will be B. The table given below shows the reaction of few elements with acid and bases evolving gas. Which of these elements form amphoteric oxides? Amphoteric oxides are those which can behave like both acid and bases. So when we see element A, acid, wrong, base, B, both, C, 1 and 1, D, both. So the answer will be B and D. It is clear from the table. So it will be B and D. Which of the following group of organisms blood flows through the heart only once during one cycle passing through the body? So it is shark, dog, fish and stingray. That means option D. Next question number 37. What is common between extensive network of blood vessel around walls of alveoli and in glomerulus nephrons? थिन वॉल्ड कैपिलरीज दोनों में होती हैं जो कि ब्लड को सप्लाई करती हैं. सो द आंसर विल बी डी. प्लांट्स यूज कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट process for excretion as compared to animal. Which one of the following process is not followed by plant for excretion? Now when we say they selectively filter toxics through their leaves, they can get rid of X by transpiration. What waste products are stored as resins and gums and they excrete. So we have to see which one of the following process is not followed by plant. So it will be B. All other three are followed. If the power of lens is minus 4.0 D, then it means that the lens is. So you will have to use this formula, P is equal to 1 upon F, and remember that you have to convert it into centimeter. So it will be coming out to minus 25 centimeter. So the option C is the correct answer. Next is question number 40. Rays from sun converge at a point 15 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Where should an object be placed so that the size of the image is equal to the size of the object? Now the object and image size should be same. You have to use the formula of your mirror, that is F is 15 centimeter, then the C will be 30 centimeter. So double of if the object is kept at center of curvature, then the image and object size are same. So A option will be there. This is a simple, you don't have to do any calculations. In which of the following groups of organism food material is broken down outside the body and absorbed in it? Now when we say outside, that means external digestion. So generally fungus is doing this, yeast, mushroom and bread mold will be there. Next is, in a persons the tubule part of nephron is not functioning at all, what will it affect be urine formation? So if tubule part is not working, then the urine will be more diluted. So the D option will be there. Next question number 43. The real image of a candle flame formed by the lens in 3 times the size of the flame, and the distance between the lens and the image is 80 centimeter. What distance should the candle be placed from the lens? So in this you will follow the, you have to find out the U, that means object distance. So we can find out through the, we have given M is equal to minus 3 and we have been given V is equal to 80 centimeter. So M is equal to V upon U means minus 3 equals to 80 upon u. So u is equal to minus 80 upon 3. So correct option will be D. Then the question number 24. While looking at the above diagram, Nalini conducted the following things. The image of the object will be virtual one. The reflected ray will travel along the same path, but in opposite direction. The image of the object will be inverted, and this is a concave mirror, and hence the focal length will be negative. So only the first one is incorrect, all three are correct. So it will be 2, 3 and 4. Question number 45. In the above diagram, list is traveling through different media. It is noted by scientists that angle 1 equals to angle 3, angle 3 equals to 4, but angle 2 is lesser than angle 1. Which of the following statement would be correct? So when we say medium 1 and 3 are essentially the same medium, but medium 2 is denser and 1 is, so the option D will be there. The refractive index of flint glass is 1.65 and that of alcohol with respect to air. What is the refractive index of flint glass with respect to alcohol? So when we say refractive index 1.65 upon 1.36, it will be coming out to 1.21. So the option B will be the correct answer. Question number 47. The pole lens has focal length of 10 centimeter and the object of height 2 mm is placed at a distance of 5 centimeter from the pole. Find the height of the object. So before finding the height of the object, you have to first find the V, then you will, by the magnification formula, that means V upon U equals to H2 upon H1. You can find the height of the object. When you solve it, it will be coming out to be 4 mm. That means C options will be there. Next is a cable manufacturing unit tested few elements on the basis of their physical properties. That means malleable, ductility, electrical conductivity, etc. Which of the above elements were discarded for use by the company? So X, Y and Z, they are not malleable, so they will be discarded, and Z is electrical conductivity is not good. So the three elements will be discarded, that is X, Y and Z. Now we come to the section C. 10 questions you have to attempt out of 12 questions. These are case studies questions. The salt pans in Markhanam or Port Town. So I am just marking the answers. You please see it yourself because it will take time. The video is getting longer. I think these questions are very simple. So when you do, just check your answers by this. So the option in first case is calcium carbonate. In second case, the option will be 18 grams. Third case, you have seen brine solution, sodium hydroxide and sodium chloride and water. 52 is answer is between 1 and 3. Second case study question. All these are activity based question from your NCERT. Then the gas which is produced is C, carbon dioxide. The function of KH is for absorbing what gas, you know, carbon dioxide. Blue black color contained in leaf plants ka. Which of the following steps can be followed for making the apparatus airtight? So 1 and 3, placing the plant on glass plate and applying एस्लीन और स्टील, जो उसको ग्रीजिंग कर देते हैं हम या उसको ताकि एयर टाइट वो बन जाए. सो सी ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट केस स्टडी क्वेश्चन. You can see trying to demonstrate some properties of light in her science project work. Now the questions is like this. What would be the X? Now when we say question number 15's first answer, it will be B, 58 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस. रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स निकालना है जो पीछे अभी हमने डिस्कस किया था. हर फ्रेंड्स नोटेड द फॉलोइंग ऑब्जर्वेशन फ्रॉम दिस डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन. So third and fifth options, when you read the paragraph, you will understand. And the last question, if the object inside the box was made of material with refractive less than 1, then what will happen? There will be lateral shift of rays would have been seen. So this complete your work chapter term 1 CBSC paper. Thanks for watching.